What is up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be doing a chapter called Short and Dark Literature. So let's start. So this chapter is very interesting. It is about this book is written by a author called Hector Hagmunro. Saki. The pen is near. The pen name is actually called Saki. So remember that, guys. So let's start by reading the chapter. So let's go. The Shot in the Dark. I'm going to be starting, okay? Philip Sletherby settled himself down in an almost empty railway carriage with the pleasant feeling of starting off an agreeable and profitable trip. He was bound by Brill Manor, the country residence of his acquaintance, Mrs. Solpent Jago. I will just be writing the spelling here. Mrs. Jago. Okay, guys, this is her name. Solpent Jago. Okay, so in Solpent Jago, Horiana Solpent Jago was a person of some social importance in London and considered considerable importance and influence in the country of Cheshire. I'm going to be changing the color because this color is a bit too dull. Oh no. Can I put a green? Yeah, green looks a bit, no, it's not looking that great. So let's take color, a bit beautiful color. Yeah, like this. Okay, fine. This is what we're going to do. Okay. So the country of Shropshire was an immediate personal interest of Philip Sletherby. So Philip Sletherby is going to Miss Solpen Jago for a profitable ship trip in Brill Manor. Okay, this is what we learned till now. In London it is, okay. And her full name is Horiana Solpen Jago. Okay, guys, remember the spellings because they might be asked in dictation. Next we are going to be learning is the church. Where was the immediate? We have read that it was held in for the government in the present parliament by a gentleman Sletherby was under serious consideration by the part managers as his possible successors. Okay, the Solvent Jago influence was not an item which could have been left out of consideration. The Philip Sletherby had been delighted at meeting Horiana at a small and friendly luncheon party, still more gratified when she had asked him down to her country house for the following Friday to Tuesday. Remember this day, okay, guys? So next we're going to be learning again. He was obviously won approval, and if he could not secure the goodwill of the hostess, he might count on the nomination as an assured thing. If he failed to final favor her in her eyes, well, the local leaders would probably cool off in their early enthusiasm for him. Among the passengers dotted about uh, one of the platform awaiting their respective trains, Sletherby spotted a club acquaintance and beckoned him up into the carriage window for a chat. Oh, you are staying with Miss Solpin Jago for the weekend, are you? I expect you'll have a good time. She has a reputation of being an excellent hostess. She'll be useful to you too if that Parliament project. Hello, you're off. Goodbye. Sletherby waved goodbye to his friend and pulled up. He had secretly glanced at a couple of passages further below. Smothered a curse caused him to glance him nastily. Okay, his travelling companion was a young man about 22 years with a dark. I'm gonna write this here. So guys, remember this. 22 years. First thing description में आएगा. Number 1. Number 2 will be with his complex. Third one will be fresh complex, as I said, and the okay, and disparity is the typical rambler. Okay guys, I hope you understand my handwriting, because writing on a whiteboard is not that easy. So let's continue. Okay guys, I'm gonna just make the font a bit, this looks a bit better. Okay guys, now let's continue. He was searching furiously and inefficiently for some exclusive or non-existent object. For time to time, he dug a sixpenny coin out of a waistcoat pocket and stared at it ruefully. Oh God, my handwriting is a bit bad. Okay. Then recommended the futile searching operations. A cigarette case, matchbox key, silver pencil case, and railway ticket were turned out onto the seat beside him, but none of these articles seemed to afford him satisfaction. He cursed again, rather louder than before. The vigorous pantomime did not draw forth any remark from Sletherby, who resumed his sonority of the magazine. "I say," exclaimed a young man's voice presently, "didn't I hear you say you were going down to stay with Miss Salpinjago at Brilmania?" With a question mark, guys. Or maybe question mark. Okay guys, this is called the question mark, guys, if you don't know. Sorry guys, I must have got a bit distracted or between. What a coincidence, my mother, I'm coming there on Monday evening, so we shall meet. I'm quite a stranger, haven't seen my mother for 6 months at least. I was away yachting some last time she was in town. I'm Bertie, the second son. I say it's an awful lucky coincidence that I should run across someone who who knows my mother just at this particular moment. I've done an awfully awkward thing. You've lost something, haven't you? Said Sletherby. Not exactly, but left behind, which is almost as bad. Just an inconvenient anyway. I've come away without my coin purse with 4 quid in. It is called the currency which was used in London earlier. It was 4 quid, means like 4 pounds or something, I guess. Okay guys, now let's go ahead. It's all my worldly wealth for the moment. I was in my pocket all right just before I was startling, and then I wanted to seal a letter, and her coin purse happens to have all on my crest on it, so I whipped it out to stamp the seal with like an idiot. I must have left it on the table. I should have put it back. I had some change loose in my pocket, but after I paid for the taxi and my ticket, I'd only got the little 6 pence left. I'm stopping at a little country near Borgway for 3 days, fishing. Not a soul knows me there, and weekend will, and tips, and cab to and from the station, and my ticket or on the to Brill. Okay, that would mount up the 2 or 3 quid. wanted. If you wouldn't have mind lending me £2, 10 or 3 preference, I shall awfully oblige. It will put me into a hole. I think manage sorry guys I think sorry guys, I'm a bit distracted right now. I shall awfully be obliged into a hole. I think I can manage that, said Slutterby after a moment hesitation. Hesitation means after you say something you're just taking a breath. Okay, let me just think for some time. Okay, it's like that. Okay, now let's go ahead. I think I can manage that, said Slutterby. After a moment, hesitation. Thank you, fully jolly good of you. What a lucky thing for me that I should have chanced across my mother's friend. It will be a lesson to me not to leave my purse again lying about anywhere. When I got you about my pocket, I used to think immortally. That's the way you sing and read. Okay, guys, this is a way to do interesting things. Okay, guys, sorry. A mortal of the whole. Pocket supposed to be the mortal thing of the I don't know to kite an unfeeling person, so which they intended still. Sorry, guys. So guys, I'm gonna be just continuing the story a bit faster because this is taking a lot of time and it's becoming a bit boring instead. Okay guys, I'm just gonna be telling the whole story. So now after this he objects. Sletterby, the person who is going to meet Miss Sorpen Jago in Brill Manor. Okay, so he hesitates first and says that how then he asks him, I have never met your mother. Do you know anything that I can remember of her, or how can I even recognize her if she's coming here to pick me up? So then he says that don't worry, she looks just like me. She has a fresh complex just like me. Okay, and then he says, what was your crest, in case just I'm asking your crest? Then he says that it was a lion with a crest on his paw. So this was it's called a demi lion holding a crosslet in its paw. Okay, then afterwards he said when her stop comes, then Bertie looks at him, aren't you going to give me the money? So then he says, of course not, because I've met your mother just last weekend, and she has colored, no, not colored actually, she has colored, but he didn't know that she has colored. She has got yellow hair, and she does not have a demi lion instead of the the crest was wrong, what he said. And then when he leaves with an angry face and he goes, when he reaches when Sletterby reaches to his station, that time he sees when he sits in the nice beautiful car and he is riding to the place Brill Manor, to the destination place. Then he sees a sign, or a crest on the car, and there were two crests. One was a demi lion with the crosslets in its paw, and other one was the one which he saw, which is kind of BAD. Okay, so now guess what must have happened. So now when he saw, imagine this is a car, okay, and he's sitting here, and here there's a crosslet on its paw, and he's looking at it, and then he just freezes. Okay, and then the companion which is sitting next to him with her in the car, like a host, he's gonna take him karke. And then when he came to know that when Sletterby is not concentrating and looking at the paw, then to remove attention from there, then he says that Mrs. Sorpen Jago, she did something very horrible. She had a beautiful fresh complex, and she bleached her hair, and he was more stiff than ever. And you know what will happen next. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Kidding guys, we are going to do the question answer right now, right here. So let's go. So guys, now we are going to be doing the question answers. So I'm going to just read the questions first to you. So wait guys, I'm just reading the questions. Okay guys, here we are. Now, first question is, What position does solvent miss? So sorry. What position does Philip Slatterbye hope to get? I'm giving you 60 seconds, guys. Your time starts now. Have you got the answer? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Time up, guys. I hope you got the correct answer. Now let's check your answer. Philip Slatterbye hoped to get an agreeable, profitable position because he was taken under serious consideration by some reputable people in London. This is your answer, guys. You might have got it correct. Now, next question. Who is Philip Slatterbye on his way to visit and why? You know what, guys, I've got an idea. Instead of waiting for 6 seconds, 60 seconds, or how much time you want me to wait, you can pause the videos. It will be like this. Just pause the video and then you can just think of your answer and then say it in your mind and then check the answer. Okay, I'm telling you the answer, guys. Philip Slatterbye on his way was visit to Miss Solpen Jago, who was a person of full social importance and influence in the country of Yorkshire. What is meant by approval? Approval means it has been selected or approved by the nomination of the Parliament if he could be secured the goodwill of his hostess, Miss Solpen Jago. How did Bertie know that Philip Slatterbye is going to Bertie's mom? Bertie, guess करो answer. Actually, guess मत करो, answer करो, guys. It might be correct also. ये बहुत ही easy question जो पूछ रही हूँ मैं अभी आपको, बहुत ही easy question है. चलो जल्दी टाइम नहीं है हम लोग के पास. अगर if you're still thinking, guys, if some people have got it, then okay, fine, I'm gonna be telling you the answer. Bertie had and heard Slatterbye conversation with a passenger who was his companion, if you remember. Next question. What is meant by sorry, guys, that was the wrong question. Where is Bertie going? Bertie is going to grill manure to meet Miss Solpen Jago. It is with his mother in London. Next question. What other sick item Bertie has in his pocket? Bertie has a cigarette case, matchbox key, silver pencil case, 6 penny, a coin and a railway ticket in his pocket. What has Bertie forgotten and what does he want Philip Slatterbye to do? He wants him to give him 3 quid. Okay. And he's lost his purse with 4 quid in it. What are the 2 reasons Slatterbye does not have? This is your homework, guys. Okay, guys, this is the last question, which is for your homework, and it is what are the 2 reasons why Philip Slatterbye does not help Bertie? Bye, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like, share, comment. Okay, guys, before you leave, I'm just going to be doing some drawing for your break. Okay, guys, if some people want to leave, you can leave by just pressing the subscribe button, like button, and also turn on the bell notification so that you can receive all the videos which I'll be posting right now. So see you. Bye. People who want to watch me draw, please, you can stay. teacher. He was holding the future. Oh, hey, be my teacher.